Hello friends, welcome to our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt course. In this lecture, we will understand the DMAIC process, tools used in every stage of the Six Sigma DMAIC process, and also the application of the Six Sigma process. So, stay tuned and enjoy this amazing lecture. Let's understand the DMAIC process. D stands for define, M for measure, A for analyze, I for improve, and C for control. The purpose of the define phase is to document the problem, desired outcomes, goals, and deliverables. In the measure stage, we obtain the baseline of process performance levels and quantify the problem. In analyze stage, we identify the root causes for variation and defects. In improve stage, we develop, test, and implement the solutions. The last stage is control. The objective of this stage is to monitor key factors and maintain the gains. The Six Sigma approach is packaged with a lot of tools which we will discuss now. It is not necessary to use every tool at every stage. We use tools as per the requirement of the project. In the define phase, we use SIPOC, which stands for supplier, input, process, output, and customer. We also use VOC, which stands for voice of the customer, CTQ, which stands for critical to quality, QFD, which stands for quality function deployment, FMEA, which stands for failure mode effect analysis, and C&E matrix, which stands for cause and effect matrix. In the measure phase, we use MSA, which stands for measurement system analysis, control charts, process capability, and normality charts. In analyze phase, we use linear regression, Pareto charts, fishbone diagram, FMEA, which stands for failure mode effect analysis, multivariate charts, and hypothesis testing. In improve stage, we use brainstorming, piloting, FMEA, which stands for failure mode effect analysis, and DOE, which stands for design of experiments. In the control stage, we use control charts, control plan, and MSA, which stands for measurement system analysis. DMAIC is a framework. We have already seen in our last lecture what organizations can achieve with Six Sigma projects. When we say Six Sigma, we meant what organizations can achieve using DMAIC framework and the statistical tools prescribed for every stage. Let us now understand the application of the DMAIC process with an example. A telecom company outsourced its call center to company ABC. The telecom company was receiving a lot of complaints. Few customers said that the agents disconnects the call without listening, and a few customers were saying that the agents keep on explaining things that we have not even asked. This feedback was shared with the call center management. Call center management decided to assign a team to fix this issue. After conducting a survey, the team identified that the appropriate duration of the call should be between 150 seconds to 210 seconds. Any call less than 150 seconds, or greater than 210 seconds, leads to customer dissatisfaction. In order to understand the current performance, the data of 1,000 calls were recorded, and the results were plotted in relation to the customer requirement. The team confirmed that the duration of a few calls was outside the customer specification. This clearly indicated that the process has too much variation and poor process capability. The team implemented the Six Sigma process and tools to reduce these variations. The team later confirmed that having better processes, better training, and better provisioning tools were the biggest factors for success. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like this video, and also, subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates about the videos which we post. Stay healthy and take care of your family members. Happy learning!